Alright, so copy this example down in box 1. We have a right triangle with two measurements, 10 centimeters and 4 centimeters. So you got to figure out if you're looking for a hypotenuse or a leg. So find the right angle, which is that box, and right across from that is the hypotenuse, and that measurement is missing, so we're looking for the hypotenuse. Now you should look at your card, and it will show you exactly the steps you need to do. And you need to write all these steps down to get credit. The first thing you want to do is write down a squared plus b squared equals c squared. Now remember, a and b are your legs, so you substitute in 10 squared plus 4 squared equals c squared. Now to do that, you type in the 10 squared plus 4 squared all into your calculator all at once and press enter, and it will give you 116 equals c squared. Don't forget, we want to get rid of this c squared right here, so we do the square root on both sides, and you do this in your calculator as well. To get the square root, you hit second, and let me write it down for you. Hit second, the yellow button, and then you hit this button, x squared, and that will give you the square root. And you type in 116. And the square root of 116 is 10 point, this is what comes out of my calculator, 10.770. Well, we're always going to, most of the time, we're going to round to 1/10. That's the first decimal place. And you should know how to round, so we're going to get c equals 10.8 centimeters. So that's our answer. If you have any questions about how to put this in your calculator or the steps we wrote out, make sure you raise your hand and call me over. And make sure every problem you write down 1, 2, 3, 4 steps. Alright, we'll look at another example that we're going to copy in box 2. So press continue on the bottom of the page.